Well, I grew up in Roseburg, Oregon. My family was 5 generations in Douglas County, kind of homesteaded the area. Didn't graduate high school. School was not my thing. Always been a lifelong learner though, pretty ambitious. So 24, I started my first construction business. Pretty successful at that, did really well. I was looking to buy my first home and found a house that I really, really liked with my wife. And the house had some pretty substantial foundation issues, something I wasn't too familiar with, but I'm a pretty handy guy. And I looked around, tried to find the different types of solutions to fix that. And I looked around for the different companies that fix those things. And I was entirely unimpressed with the people who did that type of work. And I thought, you know, this is not the simplest thing in the world, but it's not the most complicated either, but I think there's an opportunity. So I started TerraFirma. And over the next 4 or 5 years, the company organically grew and took on a real life of its own, a completely different culture. I basically got out of everything else I was doing and just focused all my attention and effort on TerraFirma, and it has continued to grow ever since. I think that there is a unique difference in being a specialty contractor. We're very unique, and we have the ability to be great every day. Because we are a niche company, we've been able to develop a list of products and services, and then just a way that we handle our customers and our employees that sets us way apart from everybody else, and that's a lot of fun. At this point, TerraFirma has inspected almost 100,000 homes. We inspect literally thousands, tens of thousands of homes every year, and complete thousands of projects every single year.
We're out here to redefine the industry. We're here to take what we know and put it out there to our customers and be the best and show them that, you know, not all contractors are the same, and we're on a whole different platform. We're out there to elevate, make sure that our customers are A#1, our employees are A#1, our community's A#1. This is who we are. We want to take care of all those people and, you know, just do it as a team.
TerraFirma is not just a job, it's a true career path. TerraFirma wants to invest in every single one of our people, and we do that through our training and development. We have on-site leadership development, technical training, safety training, as well as training through our network dealer support works out in Omaha.
When I started, I got very lucky. I feel like I hit the lottery when I started at TerraFirma. I wasn't doing a lot or going the direction I wanted to, and I wasn't sure what that meant. When I started here, I thought it was just another contractor selling blinds or countertops or something like that. And it was about a week and a half into training, I realized that this is much more than that we're addressing actual problems, that we're taking care of actual homeowners, our community, and making sure that they feel, again, safe and sound in their own homes. Something that I felt really rang true to me was actually helping people. To me, this is my career. I am set here for life. I bleed red and black, like I'm TerraFirma through and through. There's opportunity for growth. I'm a perfect example of that. Kind of started at the bottom and here I am. And it's my values, shared values with Ryan, our owner, that have put me in this position really to carry on well, this is my company. How do I want to run it? How do I want to treat my mom if she was our customer?
I want to thank you for being a part of our team. TerraFirma really truly is a family, and I think you'll realize that almost from day one. This company is all about opportunity and support and doing the right thing. You'll find every single day here that there's a group of people who want to help teach you and help support you so that your career can flourish to whatever level you want to take it to. Everyone in this company really does believe in each other and our mission. And if there's ever anything that I can do, you can always reach out to me. Thank you very much.